Students, now let's see how to draw distance time graph. But before before plotting distance time graph, there are some basic things which you should be aware. Now let's see over here. First of all, we're going to draw an horizontal line and vertical line. Okay, horizontal line, as you all know, that x dash o x, this is your horizontal line and this is also known as x-axis. Y o y dash or y dash o y, this is your vertical line and this is known as y-axis. Okay, so in this, if we're going to take this first block, that means o x y. Okay, this is your positive, means this takes positive value, and oy over here, if you will see that ox takes positive value, oy takes positive value. Over here, ox dash takes negative value, oy dash takes negative value. Alright, and this center point or the intersection point means where x dash ox and y dash oy meets, that point is known as intersection point and it is also known as origin. Here in the figure I have written. Afterwards, students, one thing I want to tell you all, that means in distance time graph we have to take only first quadrant, that means the positive values we will be taking. So there is no need to plot the other part. So now let's see, students, in according to the table 13.6, okay, here it was given in 13.6 the motion of the car. Serial number was given 1 2 3 4 5 6. Time is given 0 1 2 3 4 5. Distance is given 0 1 2 3 4 and 5. So according to this, students, how we have to plot the graph, here I have drawn. Kindly see it below. Here ox and oy, this is your positive block. Okay, where we takes positive values. So in one point when the time was 0, see, when the time was 0 and the distance was 0 kilometers. So kindly see over here in 0, this 0 represent in ox, means x-axis also 0, y-axis also 0. So this is 0 comma 0. Next, in second point, 1 comma 1 means time is also 1 minute and distance is also 1 minute. See, here I have drawn, here I have taken 1 and 1, that means 1 minute comma 1 kilometer. Similarly, in the other point, let's see, 2 minute 2 kilometer, 3 minute 3 kilometer, 4 minute 4 kilometer and 5 minute 5 kilometer. Okay, over here in y-axis we have to write distance, in x-axis we have to write time. And this is the table of the motion of a car. Hope this is very clear to you, students. You have to plot the graph in this way only.